Let me ask you, are you sick of e-commerce gurus trying to rip you off and sell you fake courses with meaningless information that ends up making you spend money and you don't need to? Well, look no further. My name's Cammy B, and I'm here to save the day. I have a breakthrough dropshipping. What's up, guys? Welcome to the new channel. We're in Mexico right now. We're on a business trip getting him to the US, and we leave in a couple days, so yeah, the location will look different on the next video. But if you are interested in making $10,000 a month without any overhead, zero risk, like you don't have to spend a dime. It sounds too good to be true, I know. But stick around in this video, I'm gonna let you know how. I'm gonna be helping a couple people in my program, personally, like hopping on calls with me and me getting them to that next level. I'm only doing that to a couple people because I have certain strategies in this strategy I'm about to show you in this video that are killer. DM me on Instagram, help, my Instagram's right here, and we can get something popping. I'm very excited to see where this goes because in the past week and a half, I'll pull up the screenshot right now, I made over $10,000 just by using this method, and I didn't have any risk doing any of that at all. It's free money, and it sounds crazy, but I'm gonna get into it in this video. But anyways, if you came to this channel from the last one, you know that I said that I was gonna give away $150 of Amazon gift cards to a couple people, so comment down below, it might be you, and yeah, dude, I'm really excited to see where this channel goes. But let's get into this video. Basically what I'm talking about today is drop shipping on Marketplace. Now it might sound like what? Like that don't even make sense, but I promise you, just listen and I'm gonna try to make it make sense. Facebook Marketplace is obviously a marketplace that you can sell, resell, pretty much buy anything you want. There's almost everything on that store. Phones, electronics, PlayStation 5s that are actually overpriced. It's actually crazy, and I'm pretty experienced, I like to say, with Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, Mercari, all the apps pretty much. I've sold pretty much everything on there besides like, I don't know, real products, so I'm really not good with that. You can almost do this with anything on the strategy. So, and one day I was doing Shopify dropshipping, which if you guys don't know what that is, you're probably living under a rock. That's the most generic way to do it, for real. I mean, a lot of people are gonna succeed with Shopify, and I don't doubt that. But it's very hard, and it's not for the traditional just person trying to make a quick buck. With that, you have so many variables. You have ads, you have to deal with Facebook's bans. Dude, there's a lot of those going around. You have to make the store, you have to make the creative, you have to buy the domain. There's so much overhead that the generic person just trying to get into it might have some trouble. The only person, oh, well, I've seen a couple, but really the only person I know that's doing really good is Henry. He's the only one I actually see doing it. A lot of other people be just BSing people in courses and stuff. It's not cool, but I have the solution. I really do. Yeah, you heard it. Yep, I do have the solution. So basically what I do is I drop ship on Marketplace. So basically, you obviously have a buyer, you have a seller. Obviously, you know who I am. I am the seller, and I pretty much find a bunch of products that I think I sell, and I have a list already that I know sell. For example, today, let's just do Apple Watch. Just the overview of what this is. Basically, say I'm selling an Apple Watch. I'll sell this Apple Watch for $200, right? $200, Apple Watch Series 5, the GPS and cellular. It doesn't have to be the Nike edition, it can just be the regular. And then I'm gonna go find someone to selling it for, so they're selling it $50 less than me. I'm gonna talk them down. I'm gonna make sure I get to a good price, to at least where I have a good profit margin, because if it's not, it's a waste of time. It's not worth it. I mean, $50 is $50, don't get me wrong, but it might not be the move. And I'm gonna basically get them to the point of sale where they're like, okay, I'll do it. And there's some strategy that I have to make sure this happens, because there's a lot of sketchy people on Marketplace. Long story short, she agrees. Someone buys it for $200 off my page. I get their address. I send it to the person I'm buying off for $100. Boom, $100 profit, baby. You have to have strategy with this to know how to identify the people, maneuver around certain scenarios, payments. Like, it's not all sunshine and rainbows, but it's really easy, because the best part about this, no overhead. Say Henrik is selling this iPhone 12 for $500. Overpriced, I know, just disregard the price. He's selling it for $500. I'll negotiate with him. There's gonna be a lot of people that are selling the similar item, but with, you know, different prices and everything. With my negotiation tactics and everything, I'll find someone. There's gonna be a lot of people that say no. There's gonna be a lot of people be there in the middle, like, I don't know, I don't wanna do it. But I'm gonna find someone that's down to drop their price significantly, okay? I'm gonna talk to a lot of people, and this requires a lot of messaging, but you're just negotiating with my tactics. And then I'm gonna find someone, let's say for this example, that I can get them down to $300 on an iPhone. All right, I'll take the iPhone, I'll post it on my page. Like I said, you could do on OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, anything. I'll sell it for $500-600, same amount. Let's just say $500, the exact same thing he was. He didn't have any success, or he just sold it a little too early to me. If he would have left it up, perhaps he would have gotten a sale off the $500. I'll end up talking to them, and then someone will buy it off me for $5. I'll buy it off him for $300, but I don't spend money until I make money, and that's what's key. You don't spend money until you make money. So you could technically, and how I started it, I didn't use any of my real money, you know? I literally used other people's money to buy the product, and then I kept the profit. It's super easy. It's awesome. So if you want to learn more about that, you want to know in-depth strategies, let me know. I don't know. That's it for the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Just a little bit of overview of what I'm doing, and you could try it out for yourself and let me know what happens. Like I said, DM me on Instagram if you need any help. I love you guys so much. Thank you. This is the start of an amazing journey. I'll be uploading so much videos, stock video. It's gonna be overall just all money online videos. All right. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Ow, fuck.